Me Caveman. Today, me tell what is tax. Tribe hunt, catch big mammoth. Chief come. Chief say, give me meat. Me say, why, chief? Chief say, tribe better. Me give meat. Chief make big fence, keep out saber-tooth. Chief fix path, so mammoth slide easier. Chief give some meat to old hunter with bad knee. Sometimes, chief make big chair, just for sit like boss. Sometimes, chief make big fire, big feast, invite only friends. This, tax. You give part hunt to chief. Chief use for build, protect, help tribe. But, if chief eat all, and hide meat in secret cave, tribe angry. Hunter stop give meat. Chief maybe, not chief anymore. Good tax, tribe happy, belly full. Bad tax, only chief belly full. Me finish talk. You like? Haha. Then smash subscribe rock, and throw like meat to channel.